Hello to all of my remote vocational English 4 seniors. My name is Miss Jones and I will be your voc teacher this year. I'm excited to get to know each and every one of you. I'm sure this is not the first day of high school that you had in mind, but we're going to try to make the best of it together. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize my video. Maybe. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and just go over a couple things today. So I'm going to first show you to my website. You can find this on our Google Classroom. There's a couple resources on here for you. I've got a little Meet the Teacher tab down here. This is a great resource for you. A little introduction about me, a little slideshow. Go back to home. I also have my class schedule. So this is what it looks like during the day for me. And this is what our 1:40 dismissal looks like. Okay. My contact information is over here. Emails, quick way to reach me, as well as Google Chats. If we go back to home, we can go ahead and look at our Vocational English 4 page. I've got our class description right here, our year plan of action, our Google Classroom links. You guys are going to want this Remote Learner one over here. Lecture videos will link straight to my YouTube, where this video will also be posted. And then click here for Google Classroom Help. This will be the best resource for you guys, okay, if you don't remember anything about Google Classroom. Google Classroom will really be our mission control, okay? It's a digital organizer where I post assignments, you guys turn things in, and I can also post updates. Let's look at a few more things. A little definition of what is Google Classroom here. The basics of Google Classroom. Okay, if you don't remember something about Google Classroom, this would be a great way to refresh your memory. How to submit an assignment is going to be over here. This would be really great. I don't grade assignments that are shared to me. They just get lost in my Google Drive. So I will only grade assignments that are turned into Google Classroom. So good video to refresh your mind about that. A little video for parents, guardians about Google Classroom, my Google Classroom codes, and then a little bit more for your parents. So let's go ahead and take a look at our Google Classroom. This is what it looks like right now. We're going to go ahead and go to Class at Work. We're going to look at our remote learning weekly schedule, which I've got pulled up here. I'm just going to go over a few things with you. To succeed during remote learning, you will need to do the following. Complete attendance assignments in Google Classroom each day. Those are going to be journals. We'll go over that in a minute. Engage in and complete assessments as directed by me. Contact me with any questions and submit assignments in a timely manner. Weekly schedule, every Monday is going to be grammar day. We're going to be refreshing on those grammar things that you might need a little bit of help with. Tuesday, you're going to get a new lesson with video. Wednesday, new lesson with video. And Thursday and Friday are going to be assignments that go with our new lessons. There could also be assignments on Tuesday and Wednesday, so just keep that in mind. We will be doing weekly Google Meet or Zoom check-in. I haven't decided which one yet, but those will be done on Monday, and I'll try to get out the time for you on Thursday, the week prior, so you guys can get those in your calendars. If requested by you or your parent, you can meet with me individually on Google Meet or Zoom. However, we will be doing those weekly class meetings, like I said. So let's go ahead and take a look back at our Google Classroom. So your attendance assignments will be a journal. So let's go ahead and take a look at those slides if they load. All right, so you'll be doing daily journals in my class. As you can see right here, I've got journal expectations for you. You type your journals on a Google Doc. You turn them in daily. You're going to write for 5 minutes, and each journal is worth 2 points. So as you can see on each of the journals, I've got a little timer for you at the bottom, and you can write about one of these 3 prompts. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go back to our Google Classroom. These are going to be turned in daily. They're going to post at 8 a.m. the day that they're due, and they'll be due by 2 p.m. that same day. Okay, that's how those are going to work. So example journal, I've got a little video of me writing a journal here, and then that video if you need any help with that. Journaling expectations and more class papers can be found down here. I also gave you hard copies of those if you picked those up last week during remote learning pickup. So that is all I have for you guys today. Please stay tuned for more videos coming later this week. I hope you all have a good day, and I will talk to you soon.